So today I'll be showing you how to hide likes count on Instagram. So I'll first of all show you how to hide like counts on other people's Instagram posts. And also I'll show you how to hide likes on your own posts so that other people don't see your like count. So to hide other people's like counts so that you don't see them like this. So as you can see here, we have 34,102 likes. On the next post, I have 61,248 likes. If you don't want to see this like counts, just go to Instagram, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and then tap on the three dot button in the top right corner on your profile page. And from this menu, tap on settings and privacy. Now under here, you want to go to what you see, and you should see like and share counts. Tap on that. And then here you have a toggle button that will hide like and share counts. And it says on Instagram, the number of likes on posts and reels from other accounts will be hidden. So once you toggle that button on, you'll no longer be able to see like counts from other people's posts. So you scroll, and as you can see, the like count cannot be seen. Okay, so you can only see view likes, but they're not going to be seen on your Instagram feed. Now if you want to hide your own likes or your own like count on your own posts, then first of all, you can go and hide like count on posts that exist already. So for instance, go to your profile, find a specific older post like this one. If you want to, I have one like here. If you want to hide the like count on this particular post, just tap on the three dot button in the top right corner of that post, and then select hide like count. And as you can see, the like count for that particular post has been hidden. Now, unfortunately, there's no button to hide all like counts from all posts. You just have to go and do this post by post. Now, also, as you're posting on Instagram, at the point where you add a caption, tag people, add music and stuff like that, you should see advanced settings. You can tap on that, and under advanced settings, you have the option to hide like and view counts on this post by turning that on before you post. Okay, and then once you turn that on, you can go back, and now when you share a picture or a video on Instagram, the like count is gonna be hidden by default. And that's basically how to hide likes on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.